local Java development environment and then run our first Java application. Let's start. Choose the installer appropriate for your OS. Double click to install. To check if the JDK is installed, you can go to the command line. Click start and type cmd. Click command line. Then just type java space dash version. So after this, we need to set up the environment variable. Click on start. Type env. Click on environment variable. You can create a user variable, new, name it java underscore home, and then the path to your Java. So you can JDK, point it to the base path. So you now have a Java home. The next one is add it to your path. Click new, then type percent java underscore home percent slash bin. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Then open again the command line and type java c. So if you're able to run the Java, it means that you already set up your Java environment correctly. Next, let's download an IDE. You can use any IDE you want. For my case, I'm going to use IntelliJ. Type IntelliJ, download. Click the first link. Then download the community edition. You can choose either XZ version. So I just choose the XZ version. Let's wait for the download to finish. Okay, so we have the downloaded IDE. Double click. And just go through the installation. Double click on the downloaded application and just go through the installation. All right, installation is done. Uh, let's just manually reboot later. Finish. You should have created a shortcut on your desktop. Then double click on that one to open the IDE. All right, we set up our IDE. Let's create our first Java program. Click on new project. Okay, so JDK is 17. This is the JDK version that we installed earlier. Language is Java. So let's create a new project. So this for our first project, let's just name it first project. All right. So by default, the IDE creates for you a main class. Let's wait for the IDE to finish indexing. All right. When we created our first project, the IDE itself created a main class for us. So to run this application, just click on the green triangle on the gutter. Then select Run Main. Okay, so that's it. The output is here. Okay, cool. In this video, we're able to set up the JDK, set up the pod, and then run our first Java program. Thank you for watching. Bye.